Hey there, my friends. This is Sadhan Samanta once again. Well, a few days back, I made one video regarding who am I. It was a slight introduction, small introduction of mine. Well, I thought you should know some more about it. This is my son, my wonderful son. Uh, just go. I'm making one video. Okay, just go. Come after some time. Go. Okay. Yeah, so I thought I'll tell you some more about myself and give you some more introduction about me so that you know who I am basically and what I do and all those things, right? So, friends, basically, right now I'm working. I'm in a full-time job, and just after completing my college, after finishing my college in 1999, I got into a job, and basically into KPO industry, BPO, KPO, KPO. If you have heard about medical transcription, so I belong to medical transcription industry, and I climbed the corporate ladder very fast, starting with team lead, and then floor manager, then production manager, then general manager, and ultimately at one time I was a director of a company, right? So basically, everything was good and all. I was working my ass off, to say the least. Even there was a time when I was working for, you can say, 3 days at a stretch. I did not go home. I was in office. I was working. So that kind of dedication, you can say, or whatever I was having towards my work, and which obviously helped me climb the ladder so fast because bosses used to love it, right? And then, but what happened was I got married in 2007, and then things started to change a little bit because I had more responsibility, I had more expectations. My wife had more expectations from me. So like she was new to all these things, like my so long working hours and my working in night shifts. In fact, I worked in night shift for 3 years at a stretch. You won't imagine, like 2000, rather 4 years. In fact, 2002 to 2005, continuously I was doing night shift. Uh, my wife is not new to night shift exactly. She's a doctor. Uh, but doctors, when they do night shift, like they are not supposed to be awake the whole time unless there is some kind of emergency or something. Only then you are supposed to be awake and attending to the patient. Otherwise, you can laze around. You can might be have a nap or something. But in our industry, we have to be very attentive, and we have to be on our toes all the time. Like we cannot sleep or take break or take nap at night. So that was the thing. Basically, everything was going on. But then when I started feeling like, is this how things are supposed to happen? Even my wife was having some expectations from me. She wanted me to spend more time with her, but I was not able to. And earlier, I used to work like more hours than my shift. My usual shift was around 9 to 10 hours, but I used to work 11, 12, 13, 14. It doesn't matter. But when after marriage, when I started going home after finishing my shift, that is like after just 9 hours or 10 hours, then bosses used to take note of it, and they didn't quite like it. Like I'm going home kind of early. It was like for them, like he's going home early. Like earlier, he used to work like that for so many hours, and now he's going home early. Well, that is how things work, right? Like if you are working so hard and you are giving so much time to the company, then they expect from you. Like the expectations also go higher and higher. So, things were going on, but yeah, like then I was. I thought to myself, like, till how long can I work like this, or like give so many hours to the company, and like hardly some time to my family, because ultimately at the end of the day, family is the most important thing that you live for, right? So somehow, like by God's grace or whatever, I got introduced into this network marketing industry in the year 2009. I got into the opportunity. I grabbed it with both my hands. I worked hard. I had a huge team also. I made good money also. But yeah, what I realized is that it was not giving me that kind of residual income which we talk about every time in all network marketing companies. So it was not really giving me that kind of residual income, and ultimately after like 1 year or so, I had to go to a job rescue mission. What do you call, right? So, but again, I did not want to be in a job. So I chose to basically work on a consultancy basis, and I'm working for a company right now on more of a consultancy basis. But yeah, like things are going good there also. No hassles, no issues as such. But again, till the time I work, going to get paid, right? It's not like I stop working today, or I stop showing up to my uh, company. So they'll keep me paying. No, it doesn't. It's not going to happen. Right, so I was always in the lookout of some other opportunity. Did some few small things in between also. But then this year, this around end of January or beginning of February, I got to know about this wonderful uh, opportunity by the name of Empower Network. Like I thought, okay, let's see, let's have a look with an open mind. So I just went through the whole website. Went through all the videos that my sponsor who was sending me. I went through it. I went through all the sales videos by Dave and Dave. I was pretty impressed. Like, man, what kind of thing is it that is paying you 100% commissions? Like, never heard of in the industry, never heard of, never seen of. So I was quite like, okay, okay, let's give it a try. Why not? Like, it's up to the technology is up to date. Like, it's attraction marketing. It's not that I have to call people and ask them to come to meeting or something. Everything is online. Everything and the selling is done by Dave and Dave only. Like, I don't have to do any kind of selling. The only thing is that I have to bring my people the to my blog. Basically, that's the main idea of having a blog. Like, you put something and you want people to come and see there, right? So with that, I started this thing, and I started this blogging thing, and I'm like loving it. I must say, I'm loving it. McDonald's, you can say, they say this. I'm loving it. Yeah, so I'm loving it. It's really good. I'm just giving around 1 to 2 hours of my day, 2 to 3, rather 2 3 hours, in fact. 1 hour in studying stuff, and 2 hours in uh, doing action, like putting whatever I have studied, put them into action. So, and this video is one of that. Yeah. So, like, if you also want to learn to make cool videos and make blogs like me, I know it's not a, I mean, cool video. I don't know, whatever. Like, I just got up and my hair, you can say, like this. So, whatever. So, friends, I would just say that, yeah, like. It's good, and just give it a try. I mean, don't think too much, yeah. $25. Like I'm in India, so in Indian rupees it is like 1200 to 1300 rupees. So come on, tell me, like if you go to watch a movie, like 600 to 700 rupees is just for the snacks, popcorn, and all those things. Let alone with the ticket. Ticket is like um, easily four people. If you go like 1200 to 1500 bucks. Yeah. So that's the thing. I'm in Delhi, so that's the price of Delhi. If you are in some other town, maybe it's less. If it's maybe more, I don't know. Like if you are in some other country, maybe in US, Canada, or wherever, I don't know the prices, but I think that's the like norm nowadays. Yeah. So $25 is kind of nothing in today's day, and the kind of platform, the kind of opportunity you are getting in $25, it's amazing, man. It's amazing to say the least. And the kind of opportunity, the network marketing opportunity that we are getting with this, the business opportunity in which you get 100% commissions, it's like mind-boggling, right? So yeah, I think that's a long video now. So I would stop it. Basically, just get in. Don't think too much about it. Just get in and get into the action mode, right? And yeah, we are there to help and support you. And in fact, you won't need my support. Come on, it's that damn simple, easy. Like I don't call up my sponsor to tell me like, okay, tell me this, and no, I'm just going through the trainings. Like it's so simple. Like it's all done for you. You just have to follow the steps. You don't have to seek some helping hand from somewhere. Like somebody would come to me and somebody would help me and somebody would set up the blog for me, somebody would do this for me, and then I would be successful. No, it's not at all like that, believe me. It's so crazy simple. I just switched on, I got up from the bed, I switched on the camera, and just I started speaking. So it's that simple, right? So yeah, it's like that only, man. So come, let's join. Let's lock our arms together. Let's work together to a greater purpose, to empower our lives, to empower our family towards a beautiful, free life, time freedom, money freedom. All the things is there. But yeah, you just have to cross that door that is in front of you. The $25 door, the $25 entry ticket, right? So yeah, just get in, man, and see you on the other side. Okay, bye bye.